I think that the call that I made 2 days ago regarding the low voter turnout in terms of postal vote applications is something that needs to continue to be echoed into the society, so that Fijians who may have initially decided against voting or decided that it is somebody else's task to go and vote will now be reminded of this as their own responsibility, and that they will have to go and apply to vote. I also want to mention that yes, today we saw a large amount of people pop into our offices to do their applications, and of course this once again proves true to our last minute culture that we have, but I believe that a lot of people who intended to do so may have missed out. I have been also receiving calls and emails. A lot of people are sending postal vote applications on any particular email that they find, so we are getting those applications coming through our information email, we're getting it on our communications email, we're getting it on our visitor program email. This would have not been the best way to do it, because if anybody on that email, or if it goes into the spam of those emails, your postal vote application will not be treated as a received application. So in that regard, you should have simply just uploaded it to the website, and it would have been very easy to handle. Now, also, ladies and gentlemen, 9,000 is still, in my view, a signal that the turnout is still low, because in the 2018 election, of course, that is at 3 o'clock, right? In the 2018 election, we had around 11,000 applications for postal ballots. So this means that it is still lower as at 3 o'clock than the 2018 figure. And this is again another matter of concern in terms of the low rate of applications for postal ballots. And I would like to start by signaling that we need to break this trend before we hit 14th of December. Otherwise, the worst possible scenario is that we might have at least 40% turnout, and that is not acceptable. It has to be better, and we need to motivate people to come out and vote.